Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Seattle, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today we are looking at simple deck upgrades that can make an older backyard feel new again. If your deck is starting to look worn out but still feels mostly solid underfoot, this episode is for you. You might not need a full rebuild to get a big improvement in how your space looks and works. We will start with the basics that often get skipped. A thorough cleaning can change how you see your deck. That means removing dirt, mildew, and old marks so you can really judge the condition of the boards and railings. Once the surface is clean and dry, soft spots, cracks, and safety issues are easier to spot. This is the time to replace damaged boards, tighten loose fasteners, and address wobbly railing posts or shaky steps. These basic repairs are important because every upgrade you do later depends on a safe structure. There is not much value in new lighting or furniture if the stairs are loose or the railing feels weak. If you are unsure about the framing underneath, you can have a professional take a look at the posts, beams, and connections to confirm whether the deck is a good candidate for upgrades or resurfacing. Once the deck is cleaned up and checked, you can start thinking about features that change how it feels to use the space. Railings are a good place to start. Swapping out old, bulky railings for a cleaner design, or changing baluster style, can modernize the look without rebuilding the frame. Adding a privacy screen in the right spot can also make the deck feel more like an outdoor room, especially in tighter Seattle neighborhoods where homes sit close together. Lighting is another upgrade that has a big effect. Step lights on the stairs, small fixtures on railing posts, and subtle under-rail lighting can make evenings in the backyard feel calmer and safer. Instead of relying on a single bright fixture, you can layer smaller lights so people can see steps, edges, and seating areas without harsh glare. Planning low-voltage lighting during a railing update is often the cleanest way to add it. Built-in seating and planters can help organize the deck and create natural zones. A simple bench along a railing can define a conversation corner, while a planter box can act as a soft divider between a dining area and a walking path. These elements make a plain rectangular deck feel more intentional and easier to furnish. They can also reduce clutter by giving you defined spots for seating and plants instead of lots of loose items. In some cases, the surface itself is what makes the deck feel old. If the framing is in good shape, resurfacing may be an option. That can mean replacing tired wood boards with new wood or moving to composite decking for a longer-lasting, lower-maintenance surface. Composite products from brands like Trex are designed to handle moisture in everyday use while avoiding the cycle of staining and sealing. Resurfacing is not right for every deck, but when the structure is sound, it can be a smart way to refresh the space. As you think through upgrades, it helps to start with how you actually use the deck. Do you mainly sit and relax, host dinners, move through it on the way to the yard, or all of the above? That answer will guide which changes matter most, whether it is better seating, safer stairs, more shade, or clearer walkways. A few well-chosen improvements often go further than a long list of small changes. If you would like help deciding whether to upgrade, resurface, or replace your existing deck, you can reach our team at 206-202-3943 or visit toughdeckbuildersseattle.com to schedule a consultation. At Tough Deck Builders Seattle, we focus on smart improvements that match the condition of your current structure and your long-term plans for the yard. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Seattle, and we will see you in the next episode.